at the factory here in London, Ontario. This place is insane. So guys, my whole life I've been dreaming about Ninja Warrior, wanting to try this out. I'm gonna give it a go now. The factory, where all dreams come true. What was that, like a minute? So this place is not only incredible for kids, but there's also an adult section here at the factory. So we're gonna go check that out right now. Hey everybody, so my name is Don Amero. Thanks for hanging out with me today here at the factory. A place not only for kids, but also for adults. It's tons of fun. If you're in London, Ontario, come check this place out.